Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever noticed how menopause can affect your skin in ways you never expected? If you're feeling like your skin is losing its glow and elasticity, you're not alone. Today, we're exploring a product that promises to tackle just that. The .3D Rebuilding Serum is here to combat those effects, offering a unique blend of ingredients designed to rejuvenate and brighten your complexion. Let's see if this serum can deliver on its promises. This daily face serum claims to provide long-lasting hydration while addressing some common skin concerns like aging and menopause-related skin changes. It's formulated with 3% Feminage to help restore skin elasticity, glycolic acid to brighten, and DMAE to offer deep hydration and anti-aging benefits. Plus, it's vegan, sulfate-free, and designed for all skin types, which is always a win. Now let's talk about the ingredients. Feminage is the star here. It's a powerful compound designed to help skin recover from the effects of hormonal changes. Glycolic acid, a well-known exfoliant, works to smooth the skin's surface and brighten the complexion. DMAE is another gem for anti-aging, offering a lifting effect while hydrating the skin. Banana extract rounds out the formula, offering antioxidants that help to firm, lift, and brighten the skin while evening out your tone. I've been testing this serum for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say, it's been a pleasant addition to my skincare routine. The texture is lightweight but hydrating, and it sinks in quickly without leaving any greasy residue behind. My skin feels nourished right after application, and I've noticed a subtle glow over time. I tend to use it in the mornings before my moisturizer and SPF, and it layers well with other products. One thing I really appreciate about this serum is that it targets menopause-related skin concerns, which can be a game changer for those going through this phase. Menopause often leads to a decrease in skin elasticity and increased dryness, but this serum seems to address those issues. Over the past few weeks, I've noticed a slight reduction in the appearance of fine lines around my eyes and mouth, and my skin feels firmer. However, I will say that while the serum brightened my complexion over time, it wasn't an overnight transformation. It's a product that works with consistent use, so don't expect instant results. Also, if you have super sensitive skin, be mindful of the glycolic acid. It may cause mild tingling or irritation, especially if you're new to exfoliating acids. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the texture is great. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a sticky or oily finish. The ingredients are solid, especially for menopausal skin, and it provides a real sense of hydration. The packaging is compact, making it travel-friendly, and the serum's vegan, sulfate-free formulation is always a good choice for those conscious about ingredients. On the flip side, the price might be a bit steep for some. At $35 for 1 ounce, it's on the pricier side for a daily serum, especially if you're used to drugstore prices. It's effective, but you're paying for the specialized ingredients. The glycolic acid might also not be suitable for every skin type, so keep that in mind. So, is it worth the price? Well, that depends. If you're in the market for a serum specifically tailored to menopause-related skin changes, I think this one does a great job of addressing dryness, loss of elasticity, and dullness. But if you're looking for a quick fix or a budget-friendly option, there are alternatives that might provide similar results for less money. I didn't experience any issues with the brand's customer support, but based on their reputation, they seem responsive. However, if you do run into issues, I'm sure they'll handle it professionally. If you're considering alternatives, a good budget-friendly option to consider is the CeraVe Hydrating Serum, which contains similar hydrating ingredients and is much more affordable. Another option might be the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair, which also targets fine lines and wrinkles without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the .3D Rebuilding Serum offers solid results for those dealing with menopause-related skin changes. It hydrates, brightens, and improves elasticity, all while providing anti-aging benefits. If you're looking for a targeted product that addresses specific hormonal skin concerns, this one is worth considering. However, if you're not dealing with these issues, you might find other serums that offer similar benefits at a lower price. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this serum or have any thoughts on it, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. And don't forget, you can find the link to purchase the product in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.